See, that's why when you try to take shortcuts in life, that's what happens. Grand Risings, love. Welcome back to Let's Work the Day with Toni Ray. If this is your very first time, my name is Toni. I am so grateful that you are here with me today. So in today's video, I'm just simply going over my morning routine and how I have to kind of arrange my schedule to do not only my content recording, but I do work full time and my kids are still at home from, being home for the summer. So my mornings, I don't get to just smoothly do in one process. Y'all saw me do my yoga routine, which I love doing yoga first thing in the morning because I just, the balance of the body, breath, and spirit is so important. I feel like it just sets the tone for my day, sets the mood. So I went ahead and did that. I took my shower and brushed my teeth. I haven't yet recorded I haven't yet done my face wash routine, my morning routine for that, because I wanted to be able to record that. But again, I have to break up my schedule. My husband is still asleep and he doesn't leave for work until later. So I'm going to save washing my face and doing all of that just so I can show you guys how you can pull yourself together even when you do work at home, and like cute outfits that you can have just so you can, still feel feminine and womanly, and if you want to feel sexy at home or if you want to put on makeup or whatever the case, just pulling ourselves together. So I'm going to go ahead and make me a cup of Teeccino. I have to log in for work. Actually, I already have, because I have to be logged on at 7 o'clock, and so I just did that a minute ago. But yeah, let's go ahead and jump into the rest of the routine. So I know somebody is going to definitely say, what is Teeccino? So Teeccino is an herbal coffee. So I suffer extremely bad from GERD. Oh my gosh, after I had my kids, my stomach and my digestive system just decided to take a turn. I don't know, but whatever. I cannot drink coffee like I want to. I only try to drink coffee maybe once, sometimes twice a week, but for the most part, I try to use Teeccino as my supplement instead of coffee. So it's coffee-free, caffeine-free, acid-free, and it is a prebiotic. And this is definitely not sponsored in any way whatsoever, but I definitely just have to say how much I love it. It does give that roasted flavor just like coffee does, but free from all the extra stuff added in. So it is much better on my digestive system. I'm gonna brew this up. Today with half vanilla nut and half mocha flavored Teeccino. And I put that into my disposable K-cup, and then I'm gonna brew that up just as if it's regular coffee. In the morning now. I've gone through my yoga, had my Teeccino while I worked, because I did, like I said, I log in every day at 7 o'clock.
sis, let me just tell you now, you got to fit the content in when you can. So the really good thing about working at home for me personally is that, you know, typical bathroom breaks that you would take at work, like those are my content moments. So like if I get up, I'm like, okay, let me shoot this real quick. Let me shoot that real quick, use it as a bathroom break. And then I just sit down and get back to work. So you gotta, you know, if this is what you want and you really want to build something, you're going to be tired. It's just simply put, you're going to be tired. You're going to have to work double time, triple time, whatever the time, in order to get the stuff done that you need. I'm going to go ahead and change into a nice, cute little onesie that I got from Aritzia. This material is super freaking soft. I got this one, y'all, for like $34 on sale. And I was like, oh yeah, I'm grabbing that. I'm not going to let that sit. So yeah, these are the vibes. I'm gonna go ahead and just throw on my Pure Radiant Tinted Moisturizer that I've been wearing. Honestly, I can say I love this stuff. While I finish out my face, I just wanted to talk about a few things, like just stay motivated and encouraged. Like, y'all have to understand, you gotta be willing to sacrifice. Content creation is hard, y'all. And this is definitely not my end all be all, but I have to do this in order to get to where I'm going. So yeah, I'm going to use my gifts and abilities that I've had and, you know, create this content. I don't know if y'all notice, but when you create content, you got to get certain angles. You got to get, you know, some excellent B-roll, because let's be honest, your B-roll is what keeps people entertained. Like they want to act like they're watching a movie. So you have to provide that. Well, that takes time and efforts and energy, baby. For us that do not do it full time just yet and we have to work, it's a lot of sacrifice. Like, I have to, where is my daggone sponge? Hold on. What the hell? See, that's why when you try to take shortcuts in life, that's what happens. Because all I had to do was walk around and I done busted up my, anyways, Lord. So I'm saying all that to say, y'all saw me get up at 5:30. I'm actually trying to push my time to 4 o'clock, because if I can get up at 4 o'clock, that will leave me enough time to not only do my yoga, but still be able to have some time to just sit in my own thoughts. Like, I don't think y'all, you know, when you have time to sit in your own thoughts, especially in the morning, you can kind of, you know, prepare yourself for the day. It's more than just planning out your day, but it's giving yourself that opportunity to just be in your silence. It's just having that time to be in your silence. You can really put things into perspective on what it is that you're truly wanting for yourself. What is it that you want to achieve? What is it that, you know, you want to eliminate out of your life? Keep going, lose that sleep, because baby, I promise you, more than anything else, that consistency is gonna pay off. I've actually had to kind of walk myself through this little conversation myself, because here recently I have gotten so lost within the statistics. Like, I want to see the growth. I want to see the change. And for me, I'm like, okay, my numbers aren't increasing like I want them to. My numbers should be this, they should be that. You know, and so it's easy to really get lost into the statistics and the analytics of everything behind creating your content. But again, don't get stuck in that. Don't get stuck in that feeling. Just know that more than anything, that consistency is going to pay off. It happens fast. You have a lot of people out here who are having viral videos, and they, you know, their followers and all that, they go up like that. That's a beautiful thing. That's dope. I feel like, you know, especially it gives people who normally wouldn't have that opportunity an opportunity to be known for whatever it is, silliness or non-silliness, whatever it is, cooking, I don't care. But for others, it don't happen as quick, and that's okay. But you can't lose your momentum just because it's not happening for you as quickly as you think that it should be happening. It's gonna happen on its own time. More than anything else, that consistency is what's gonna pay off in the end. Because, okay, let's say, you know, you do this for a year straight, whatever it is. You do it for a year straight, you're gonna look back and you're gonna see everything that you worked for. everything that you put your energy and efforts into. There's going to be no greater feeling than that, because you can look back and you can say, damn, I did that. I did that myself. Look at all that work I put in. That is the real thing that you should be worried about on the back end of it all, is like, I did that. I made it happen. It's hard. It's hard to stay motivated. It's hard to stay motivated, but that's why, like, when I do little outfits like this at home, this is me getting myself together saying, you know what? Okay, I got a little motivation. I'm gonna get some work done. So get yourself dressed every day, sis. There's a direct correlation between how you are dressed and how productive you are. And I mean, I know a lot of people, a lot of people feel that way, but it's the truth. Like, if you're walking around in sweats all day, 9 times out of 10, you're gonna feel lazy. You're gonna feel like you're not put together, and your motivation is not gonna be there. So more than anything, get dressed every single day, regardless of if it's like full-on clothes, or if it's like something like this, like just a really sexy jumper, or a nice little 3-piece lounge set. Just anything. This is me pulling myself together. This is me getting myself prepared for the day and saying, okay, I'm gonna get some work done, because I feel good. I feel like I'm put together. I feel like my energy is up. I feel like I'm motivated. Let me throw some lipstick on or something. I don't need no lipstick, but I need some gloss or something. Like, my lips look a little dry. It look a little dry. So I went ahead and threw on a little bit of mascara, threw on just a little bit of a lip liner and some gloss, and that is it. Like I said, this isn't even all of my clean girl look, because again, I didn't do anything with my brows. I need to get my eyebrows waxed. So this is literally just an around the house kind of face. Like, if I need to run to the grocery store, I at least look well put together enough to where, oh, golly, I'm sorry, y'all. I had a burp that was coming up. I'm at least put together enough to where I can run my errands if I needed to. But more than anything, like I said, it's just about pulling yourself together for yourself. When you look good, you feel good. I feel like I look pulled together enough to where I'm like, okay, girl, you gonna get some stuff done today. What you gotta do? We're gonna check them all off the list. So I really hope that y'all enjoyed this video today. Just going through my whole morning routine with me, doing just a simple around the house kind of face. I have been wanting to do this for a couple of weeks now, so I'm like, okay, this is a real good day to go ahead and do that and knock it out the way. So if you haven't already, don't forget to hit that subscribe button below, and also make sure that you are hitting that notification bell as well, so you can see when these videos are going up on the channel. Okay, peace and blessings and love and laughter to you all. Stay safe out there, and I will catch you guys on the next